Dear friends, Namaste, and that's Ramneek Vig from Venice Beach, Los Angeles. Friends, today I'm in the United States for a workshop on the miracles of pranayama and food therapy. And friends, today I shall be telling you about pranayamas for sinusitis. Now friends, there are several good pranayamas for sinusitis, but according to me, the best ones are: number 1, deep abdominal breathing; number 2, left nostril breathing; number 3, right nostril breathing; number 4, Chandrabhedi pranayama; number 5, Anuloma Viloma pranayama; and number 6, Hasya pranayama. So friends, here I shall be showing you the technique of one of my very favorite pranayamas, and that's called as Anuloma Viloma pranayama. Now friends, remember, as we do this pranayama, that first you got to make an Apan Mudra with your active hand. Now I'm a left-handed person, that's why I made it with my left hand. That's called the Apan Mudra. After that, the starting position of doing this pranayama is, first you got to close your right nostril and exhale out all your breath from left. Your abdomen should completely sink in as you exhale. After that, you inhale from left to the count of 4. Close left, exhale right to the count of 8. Then inhale from right itself to the count of 4. Close right, exhale from left to the count of 8. So friends, that completes your one round of Anuloma Viloma pranayama. And this is a very good pranayama if you are suffering from sinusitis. Friends, I'll again be telling you the technique. It's very simple, so hear it carefully. First, you're going to be making an Apan Mudra with your active hand. After that, you're going to close your right nostril and exhale out all your breath from left. That would be the starting position. Once you've done that, you will inhale from left to the count of 4. Thereafter, you close left and exhale from right to the count of 8. After that, you inhale from right itself to the count of 4. Then you close right and exhale from left to the count of 8, and that would complete your one round of Anuloma Viloma pranayama. So friends, this is a great pranayama if you're suffering from sinusitis. Now friends, remember to follow abdominal breathing in this pranayama. As you breathe in, the abdomen should expand, and as you breathe out, it should contract. Friends, so that's Ramneek Vig signing off from Venice Beach, Los Angeles. Friends, here I must tell you that I also take personal courses and classes. I take a lot of courses on the miracles of pranayama and food therapy. These courses are also conducted over the internet. My Skype ID is Yoga Guru Ramneek Vig, and my personal cell number is +91 9810178140. Friends, I have over 350 videos on YouTube, so you can check them out also. My YouTube address is youtube.com/YogaGuruRamneekVig, and my website is www.ramneekvig.com. Namaste friends, and have a great day ahead. And that's Ramneek Vig signing off from Venice Beach, Los Angeles.